Hello students. Today we are going to learn structure of atom. Here the diagram you can see, you can assume that structure or image of an atom can be like this. Okay, now you can see some black colored, red colored and blue colored ball. Which are these things we are going to learn? To understand atom, first we need to learn that what are matter, and next we need to know which are known as element. Matter can be anything that you can see, that occupies a space and that have some mass. Like example is this notebook. This is having mass, this is occupying a space and you can see it. Now another thing, that is air. Now you can say that air we are not able to see. Yes, we cannot see air, but air have some mass and it occupies a space. So it is also a matter. So understood, whatever we can touch, whatever we can see that have a mass and occupies a space are called matter. Now this matter can be divided into two things. One is pure substance, another is mixture. And the pure substance are again divided into two things, that are element and compound. Now example of element can be iron, it can be gold, silver, it can be aluminium. So these are known as element. And compound are made up of two or more element. Okay, like sugar, like water, like salt we eat. These are the example of compound. Now what is the definition of atom? Atom is the smallest particle of any element. Smallest particle. What is the meaning of this? Suppose take the example of this pen. If you break it into two parts, it will be, from here if you break it, it will be breaking into two parts. This part and this part. Okay, now take one part, again break it, again take one part, again break it. By doing this thing continuously, one thing will get which you are not able to divide furthermore, because you will not be able to see that thing. But under the electronic microscope, the scientist divided the element into many more parts, and one part come which is further not divisible. What is the meaning of this? Meaning is, if they divide it furthermore, then the chemical property or nature of the element will not be in that particular part, divided part. So that particular part further which cannot be divisible is known as the atom. This is known as the atom. Now to understand there are lots of history regarding this. First, an Indian philosopher, Rishi Kanad, introduced or discovered the thing that every matter, every element are made up of small thing, very small particle, and he has given the name as Parmanu or Anu. Okay, he was Rishi Kanad, and this thing happened in 600 BC. before Christ. So like 2 and 500 years ago these things happen. Then after so many scientists comes, and in 1803 scientist John Dalton introduced a big concept on this thing, which is known as the Dalton's theory or Dalton's atomic theory. What are the postulates of this Dalton atomic theory? That matter consists of small particles. This is known as atom. Atoms are indivisible, that cannot be created or destroyed. Atoms of same elements are alike, and they are different from the atoms of different element. Atom is the smallest unit of matter that takes part in the chemical reaction. And when atoms combines with each other, they form a compound. So atoms are the unit of matter. Just like the cell are unit of life, Just exactly like that, the atoms are the unit of matter. Next, modern atomic theory or model comes. What is the main thing? There they told that John Dalton told that atoms are indivisible, they cannot be divisible, but scientist Niels Bohr, Rutherford and J.J. Thomson, they discovered that no, atom can be divisible and they are divided into three parts: proton, neutron and electron. This is known as the center of an atom. Here you can see only neutrons and protons. Protons are having positive charge and neutron do not having any charge. Actually they are neutral. And this is known as the center part is known as the nucleus. There the main mass of an atom exists. These green colored circles are called the orbit and these black colored circles are called the electron. They are having minus sign. That means they are having negative sign or negatively charged they are. And these things are orbit. Just like the planets in the solar system revolve around the sun, exactly like that the electron always revolve around this nucleus. They in their orbit or continuously revolves. Okay, this is the main atomic model, modern atomic model or structure of an atom. Thank you.